Statement: Telephone plays an important role in times reservation on phone. Emphasizes the significance of telephone in the reservation process. Definition: Reservation. A reservation is pre-arranged booking or secure of something such a table at restaurant, a hotel, room, or a flight ticket. Telephone. A device that allows communication over long distance using electrical signals. Explanation. Telephones have traditionally been a primary means of making reservation. They provide a direct and immediate way to contact business. Customer can easily call business to inquire about availability and make booking. Confirm details. Telephone conversation allow for clarifying details such as a date and time and specific requirements. Secure booking. Reservation can be made or confirmed verbally, ensuring a secure booking. The statement: Perfect telephone handling ensures efficiency of the reservation agent, which at the same time upholds standard. Emphasizes importance of proper phone etiquette in enhancing the efficiency and professionalism of reservation agent. Definition: Perfect telephone handling. This refers to the skillful and courteous handling of phone calls by reservation agent, adhering to be best practice and professional standard. Efficiency. Efficiency means performing tasks efficiently and enhancing desired outcome with minimal waste of time and resources. Reservation agent. A reservation agent is a person responsible for taking and managing booking for business such as hotel, restaurant, or online. Standard. Standard are established guidance or critical that define acceptable level of guilty performance and professionalism.
Perfect telephone handling involves several key aspects. Promptness, answering call promptly and efficiently show professionalism and respect for the caller's time. Clear communication, speaking clearly using appropriate language and actively listening to the caller ensures accurate information exchange. Problem solving, effectively addressing customer inquiries, resolving issue and providing helpful solution enhance customer satisfaction. Polite and professional demeanor, maintaining a courteous and professional tone throughout the conversation creates a positive experience for the caller. It ensures efficiency and uphold standards. Faster processing. Efficient phone handling allows reservation agent to process calls quickly, reducing wait times and providing overall service speed. Reduce errors, clear communication, and active listening minimize misunderstanding and errors, leading to accurate bookings. Enhance customer satisfaction. Positive phone interaction contribute to a positive customer experience, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Professional image, adhering to high standards, strictness, and the reputation of the business and reinforce its commitment to quality service. The statement "telephone ethics are a set of moral principles used when handling a telephone" highlights the importance of ethical consideration in phone communication. Let's break it down. Definition: Telephone ethics. This refers to a set of guidelines and principles that govern how individuals should behave and communicate when using a telephone. These principles are based on moral values and aim to promote respectful, professional, and responsible phone interactions. Moral principles. There are fundamental beliefs and values that guide an individual action and decision. They often relate to concepts like honesty, fairness, respect, and responsibility. Explaining. Telephone ethics encompass various aspects of phone communication including respect for others, treating a callers with courtesy, patience, consideration regardless of their tone or demeanor, honestly and transparently, providing accurate information, avoiding misleading statements, and being truthful in all interactions, confidentially, maintaining the privacy of sensitive information shared during phone calls and respecting the confidentiality of conversation, professionalism, using appropriate language, time management, being mindful of the time of both the caller and the recipient, keeping conversation concise and focused. Responsibility, taking ownership of mistake, apologize for for any inconvenience caused and striving to resolve issues effectively. Importance, positive interaction following telephone ethics, positive and productive phone interaction enhancing relationship and building trust. Professional image, maintaining ethical standards in phone communication reflects positively on a individual professionalism and the organization they represent. Customer satisfaction, ethical phone interaction contribute to a positive customer experience leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Ethical conduct, telephone ethics, the importance of treating others with respect and integrity.
A greeting in a telephone conversation is an initial polite expression used to start conversation. It typically includes a solution such as hello or good morning, an introduction of the speaker, and an invitation for future communication. This sets a positive tone and establishes the context for the call. Example of greetings. Hello, informal greetings. Example, hello is preferred to I or hey. Hey there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. To, it's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Explanation. A formal greeting is a polite and respectful way of recognizing or welcome someone.
Take permission, it's meant to ask for approval before doing something, while be polite involves showing respect and consideration in your request together. It means asking for consent in a courteous and respectful manner. Example, may I please borrow your pen for a moment? 2. Would it be alright if I join the meeting or a bit later? Explanation. Take permission involves formally asking for approval before proceeding with an action, ensuring you respect boundaries or rules. Be polite, making this request courteously using respectful language and showing consideration for the other person's feelings or properly.
Definition of clarity. Clarity in communication means presenting information in straightforward and easily understandable manner through involves using clear and ambiguous language and avoiding jargon or complex terms. Example of clarity: instead of saying we need to address the various issues related to the operational efficiency of our telecommunication system, you might say we need to fix the problem with our phone system to make them work better. This simple and direct approach ensures that the message is easily understood.
Definition of purpose of the call. Purpose of the call is to clearly outline the objectives and goals that need to be achieved during the conversation. It involves identifying the specific topics to be discussed, setting an agenda, and preparing key points or questions to address. By thinking through and practicing what you plan to say before making the call, you can ensure that the discussion remains focused, productive, and efficient. Jotting down the items you want to discuss helps to maintain clarity and structure through the conversation, enabling you to achieve the desired outcomes effectively. Example Example purpose of the call is to discuss the upcoming project. Timeline will review the budget allocation, address any potential roadblocks, and finalize the action items for the next team meeting. I will also inquire about the progress of the deliverable and seek clarification on any outstanding tasks. Additionally, I aim to gather feedback on the recent client presentation and discuss strategies for enhancing our communication with stakeholders. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat. Know your timeline and keep it short refers to the importance of being aware of allocated time for a conversation or presentation and ensuring that discussion is concise and to the point. By understanding the timeline, you can effectively manage the conversation to cover all necessary topics within the given time frame. Keeping it short involves being clear, direct, and avoiding unnecessary details or lengthy explanation. This approach helps maintain the attention of the participants, promote efficient communication, and ensure that the key message are effectively conveyed without unnecessary delay. Know your timeline and keep it short refers to the importance of being aware of allocated time for a conversation or presentation and ensuring that discussion is concise and to the point. By understanding the timeline, you can effectively manage the conversation to cover all necessary topics within the given time frame. Keeping it short involves being clear, direct, and avoiding unnecessary details or lengthy explanation. This approach helps maintain the attention of the participants, promote efficient communication, and ensure that the key message are effectively conveyed without unnecessary delay.
Avoid filters and keep it interesting. When you have telephone calls, you must say okay or give them some suggestions what you have in your restaurant, hotels, or anything when you have telephone calls. Smile through the phone. When you have telephone calls, you must be smile or making happy voice so the customer will be interested to you of what you have in your restaurants, hotels, anything from you that they will be interested.
1. Quiet room at home. Ex- Choose a room in your home that is away from high traffic areas or noisy appliances. Number 2. Library. Libraries are known for their quiet environment. 3. Park or nature reserve. If you enjoy nature, consider visiting a park or nature reserve. Empty classroom. If you are on a university or classroom school campus, you may find empty classroom during non-class hours that offers a quiet space to work. Quiet cafe or coffee shops. Some cafes or coffee shops have designated quiet areas where you can work or read without background noise. Meditation room. 6. Look for meditation centers or room in your area where you can find a peaceful and quiet environment to relax and focus. 7. Noise cancelling headphones. If I find if finding a quiet place is challenging, Consider using noise-canceling headphones to block out background noise and create your own quiet space. Summarize, paraphrase, and close. Always end the call with a pleasantly. In summary, to find a quiet place without background noise, consider options as a quiet room at home, library, park, empty classroom, quiet cafe, or meditation room. Using noise-canceling headphone can also help block out distraction. Choose a location that suits your preference and aids your focus.